Hello guys, for those who don't know me, I'm Steve from Runwin Lighting, a lighting manufacturing company based in China with over 20 years of experience. Today is Saturday and I'm just here alone at the company just to show you around how we do what we do, how our company look like, our showroom. We started in 2005. We want to get our wins together, we big. As time goes on in 2013, 2014, with high quality and competitive prices, our company became an vision of being international professional distributors all over the world. And we decided to set our first overseas office in the USA. Now we go to our offices. In our company, we got a team of over 30 professional sales people. About 80% of them have more than 20 years of experience in the lighting industry. And of course, we have also got few young faces full of energy and passion who keep things fresh and exciting around here. Together, we are always ready to serve you anytime, any day. Here is our staff member office. We keep everything here simple and energetic. No one is above anyone here. We don't have a boss, but we have a leader. Now let's go visit our showroom and our laboratory. This is our meeting room. Here is another meeting room, but mainly here we receive our customers. We receive you guys. You are coming all over the world. This is where, and of course, sometimes it's difficult for you to travel, right? Maybe because of time or things like that. You are busy. You can have a live conference here, a live chat with you guys. We're in our showroom. It's an industrial light, we're the UFO lighting, we have linear lighting. Street light, track lights, different street lights here too. It's our solar wall lamps here. These are solar products here. Here is our laboratory. This is where every product goes through a strict and testing quality checks. Our team carefully processes the test report and shares them with you before we move forward with any trial order. We make sure everything meets the highest standards before it leaves our hand. At Runwin, we don't just deliver products, we build trust. If you are into the lighting business, feel free to contact us.